What's going on, everyone? So today we're going to show you how to remove the old fender flares and put on new ones. So we hope you enjoy the video. So the first step is to get the inners out. So we got to pop off all of these and all of these, which none have to be reused, so you can just pry them out with a screwdriver and not worry about it, because all this stuff is never being used again. It's just because it's the first one. Once you get your technique down, they come out pretty easy.
My arm's gonna be black by the end of this.
It says it's gonna be whack.
It says it's gonna be black by the end
Oh,
of this.
black.
Tire. This is hard to get in.
Just like that, the inners are out. So, take a look. So now we just gotta clean up and get the other fender off, which looks like it's all clips, so that should just pull right off. Fenders, we gotta put little rivets in, but you can go buy a big fancy tool if you want, or once you get it popped in, Alright, so once you have the rivet seated in there, you can go get the big fancy tool, or you can just use a bolt, a washer, a nut, I forget what they're called. Well, let's just call it a bigger nut for now. And another washer. And all you do is thread it in. And then the other one, the big one, just want to hold on tight to. And you can either use a hand socket, or I find a impact driver works the best and the fastest. And that's it. Nice and easy. Even faster than the big fancy tool you can go buy. So I'd recommend doing it this way. You'll save a ton of time.
So what you want to do is get this, and then put a washer on, and then a split washer, and then you're going to want to put it in here, like this. I'm just going to start it a little so it stays on. Then we get this. That's it. So when you're done, you're going to want to go back and, like, once you get all of them on, you're going to want to go back and tighten all of them.
And there it is. It's just that easy. The Rio's no bolts. It's all pull pins. So you get those loose, you can rip it right out. Trickiest part's installing the rivets, but with a bolt, a couple washers, a couple nuts, and an impact driver, you can get them in nice and clean every time real quick. So don't go waste 50 bucks on the special tool if you already have an impact driver, or even just a regular power drill. You can use that. I just prefer the impact driver on it. So we got this side done. It's solid. We're gonna go do the other side real quick, and then we'll give you a walk around of the whole thing after. Alright, so we got them all done. The more sides you do, the faster they go. It gets nice and easy. So it's on there solid. We're going to go take it for a little ride, check it out, see how we like it. But I've had the front ones on for a couple weeks, so I already know we like them. We will have a link to all the parts we use down in the description, so please comment on your thoughts. If you like what you see, feel free to use our Amazon link to pick up the parts, because it helps out the channel and we can make more videos. And thanks for watching.
Bye.